Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Neural Ninja Academy. Today I'm going to explain the core topics like what is data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning and how they are related with each other. In this video, I'm going to assume you're having no to little programming background. We are going to start with how all these different data science fields are related, their definition, along with some popular tools and algorithms. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand some of the popular concepts in data science. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to begin with, let's take a look at data science. So data science is a broad field of study which includes artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Like if you can see, it is at top of the triangle and it has many subfields like artificial intelligence. Within artificial intelligence, we have machine learning and within it deep learning. So these are some of the popular fields that we are going to discuss, but there are a lot many more. So basically data science includes a wide range of tasks ranging from data collection, data cleaning, analysis, creating models. And remember, our end goal is to discover insights and patterns from the large volumes of data. As a result, the data scientists use a wide variety of tools and software to perform these tasks. Okay, let's take a deeper dive into data science. So data science, like I mentioned, is a multidisciplinary field that involves the use of various techniques, algorithms, process and system to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. It combines all the different fields, that's why it's called multidisciplinary, like statistics, computer science, machine learning, domain knowledge, and data engineering to be able to do all the tasks from the start to the finish. Also, data science includes a wide range of tasks, like I mentioned. So beginning from, we have to collect the data from different sources, combine them, and data might have a lot of unwanted data in it. So we need to clean it up. Maybe it will be in a different format. We can structure it into a proper format and clean them, analyze them, and then we feed it to the models and we get the prediction based on these models. So from the beginning to the end, all the things are covered within data science. So to begin with, let's take a look at artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is again a multidisciplinary field of computer science that focuses on creating smart, adaptive, and autonomous systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI systems aim to simulate human cognitive functions such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, language understanding. The tools used in AI vary depending on the specific task or application within the AI, like we have machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, reinforcement learning, data processing, analysis, model deployment, and serving, and AI libraries. So let's take a deeper dive into the different types of artificial intelligence. Like you can see, artificial intelligence has many different types. So different type of AI have gained popularity based on the applications and capabilities. So here are some of the popular types of artificial intelligence. Let's take a look at one by one. So first one is narrow or weak AI, or ANI or WANI, which is designed to perform specific tasks or solve particular problems. It is capable of general intelligence and is typically trained or programmed for single well-defined purposes. Some of the examples are like virtual assistants like Siri and recommendations algorithms. And next we have general AI. General AI refers to the AI systems that possess human-like cognitive abilities and can perform any intellectual task that a human can. AGI remains like a theoretical concept as of now and is the subject of ongoing research and development. The next one is the machine learning. So machine learning is again the subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on developing algorithms that enable computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions for unseen data. So popular ML techniques include supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. We'll take a look at it in the next slide. So next is a deep learning. So deep learning is again a subfield of machine learning that uses deep neural networks with multiple layers to learn and extract complex patterns from data. It has been particularly successful in tasks like image and speech recognition, and we can also take a look in the upcoming slide. So next is the natural language processing, which focuses on enabling machines to understand, generate, and interact with human language. It is used in applications such as chatbots, language translation, and sentiment analysis. So next one we are going to take a look at as computer vision, which involves interpretation of visual data, enabling machines to recognize and understand images and videos. It is used in facial recognition, object detection, and autonomous vehicles. And next we see robotics. Robotics again involves designing and building physical machines, robots capable of interacting with their environment. And AI plays a crucial role in enabling robots to perceive and make decisions. And next one is the cognitive computing. It aims at creating AI systems that can simulate human thought and process, including perception, reasoning, and learning. This is also in the latest years have been gaining more traction, and many companies have started to build such human robots. Next is autonomous systems like you'd have heard like autonomous vehicles and drones, which drive on their own when you give the destination. So they use AI for decision making and navigation in complex environments. In quantum AI combines quantum computing and AI to solve complex problems more efficiently. So these are some of the most popular types of artificial intelligence, but there are actually a lot more. But if you know these popular concepts, you should be able to grasp an idea on the other ones. The next one, let's take a look at machine learning. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on the development of algorithms and models that enable computers to learn and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to perform a specific task. So models are like foundation of machine learning, where based on the data and all the inputs we provide, it creates models. And when we have some new data and we feed it into this new machine learning model, it predicts the outcome from it. So how amazing is that? So in other words, machine learning is a method of teaching computers to learn from data and improve their performance on a given task through experience. The primary goal of machine learning is to develop models that can generalize patterns from existing data and apply that to knowledge to new unseen data. So machine learning involves a wide range of tools and frameworks to develop, train, and deploy machine learning models. The choice of tools depends on the specific task and programming language and the preference of data scientists and machine learning engineers. Let's take a deep dive into the types of machine learning algorithms. So there are three main types of machine learning which has a lot of popularity among the data scientists. So the three main types are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So supervised learning is a labeled data set, typically labeled by an external supervisor or an SME or an algorithm or program. So the data set is split into training and test data set for training and then validating the model. The supervised learning model is then used to generate predictions on previous unseen, unlabeled data that belongs to the category of data that the model was trained on. So when we say the data set was labeled, which means like maybe we'll be feeding, like if you're training to distinguish between a cat and dog, you will feed all the images of cat to the model and we'll label them as cat. And we'll also feed all the images of the dog and label them as dog. So once we have trained a model based on this and we'll give some random cat or dog, it will be able to predict the label from the previously trained data. So that's what is about supervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a machine learning technique in which models are not supervised using any training data set. Instead, models itself find the hidden patterns and insights from the given data. It can be compared to learning, which takes place in the human brain when learning of new things. The goal of unsupervised learning is to find the structure and patterns from the input data. Next one is reinforcement learning. It's a machine learning training method based on rewarding desired behaviors or punishing undesired ones. In general, a reinforcement learning agent is able to perceive and interpret its environment, take actions, and learn through trial and error method. It is commonly used in tasks like game playing, robotics, and also in autonomous systems. That's a higher level of mostly different types of machine learning. Let's take a look into deep learning now. So deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that focuses on artificial neural networks and deep neural networks. It is called deep because it involves the use of multiple layers like deep architectures of interconnected nodes or artificial neurons in a neural network. Deep learning has gained a significant attention and popularity in recent years due to its remarkable ability to learn and extract complex patterns from data. So when we say neural network, so our brain also functions something similar to the neural network where all the information is gathered and processed using all the neurons. So deep learning is also inspired with this human brains idea. Deep learning relies on variety of tools and frameworks that facilitate the development, training, deployment of neural networks. And these tools and libraries are essential for building and working with complex deep learning models. So some of the libraries are like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, Caffe, Apache Spark, and there are a lot more. Let's take a deeper dive into the deep learning algorithms. So some of the popular algorithms are convolutional neural network, recurrent neural networks, long short-term memory, generative adversarial networks, and deep Q networks. There are many more algorithms, but I have listed some. So to begin with, the CNN are widely used for computer vision tasks such as image classification or object detection. So they use the convolutional neural layers to extract features from images. Like if you have a leaf and you have to distinguish it from a flower based on the different features of the leaf, we can extract like what kind of leaf it is. And recurrent neural networks are used for sequential data processing, making them suitable for tasks like natural language processing and time series analysis. And long short-term memory, this is also again a type of RNN algorithm that is capable of long-term dependencies in sequences, making them effective for tasks like text generation and language translation. Next is generative adversarial networks. It consists of generator and discriminator network that compete with each other, and they're used to tasks like image generation and style transfer and super resolution. Like you would have seen some of the AI based websites, they can create images out of the text you provide. So this is being used behind the scenes. The next one is a deep Q network deep learning. So in this, it's used for deep reinforcement learning, particularly for training agents in game playing scenarios. So all these algorithms and architectures have a significant impact on the field of deep learning and have been applied in wide range of applications from image and speech recognition to natural language processing and reinforcement learning. These choice of algorithm often depends on the specific problem and the business use case. Alright then, hope you got an idea about artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and how it all gets embedded within the data science. Hope that's helpful for you to understand all the different topics. Thank you for watching and please subscribe and share. Thank you.